Hello everyone and welcome to channel. Today we're going to talk about a topic that I'm sure will interest many of you. The top 5 cheap and reliable cars you can buy in 2024. If you're thinking about getting a new car or looking for your first vehicle, but don't want to break the bank, this video is for you. We'll show you cars that aren't just affordable, but also reliable. Because no one wants a car that leaves them stranded on the road, right? Also, if you haven't already, I invite you to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. We upload content about cars every week, so there's always something new for you. Now, let's get into the list. Before we get into the cars, I want to quickly explain how we chose these vehicles. We know that reliability is key when it comes to buying a car. No one wants to visit the mechanic every month, and even less spend a fortune on repairs. That's why we've only selected cars that have proven to be durable over the years, based on reliability reports, owner reviews, and average maintenance costs. Another important factor is price. All the cars on this list cost less than $20,000 in their base model, because we understand that affordability is essential for most people. We've also considered fuel efficiency, because while the price of a car is important, so is how much it costs to keep it running. The cars you'll see here are fuel efficient, meaning you'll save money in the long run. Lastly, we considered safety features and technology. All the cars we'll mention offer a good level of equipment, even in their basic versions, so you get the most for your money. Starting off the list, we have the Kia Rio, a subcompact car that has gained a lot of popularity in recent years, and for good reason. The Kia Rio is one of the cheapest new cars you can buy, with a base price of around $17,500. But the best part is that despite being affordable, it's quite reliable. Kia has greatly improved its reputation in recent years, and the Rio is no exception. In fact, Kia offers one of the best warranties in the market, 10 years or 100,000 miles, which gives you peace of mind if you plan to keep the car for many years. In terms of performance, the Kia Rio offers up to 41 miles per gallon on the highway, making it a great option if you drive long distances or just want to save on fuel. As for features, the Rio comes with the basics, but it has everything you need: an 8-inch touchscreen, a backup camera, and compatibility with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. While it's not the biggest or the most luxurious car, the Kia Rio is perfect for those looking for a reliable, efficient, and very affordable vehicle. In fourth place, we have the Nissan Versa, another subcompact that stands out as one of the most affordable cars on the market. Its base price is around $16,000, making it one of the best options if you're on a tight budget. But what really makes the Nissan Versa shine is its combination of affordability and safety. Although it's an inexpensive car, the Versa comes equipped with safety features that you'd normally see in more expensive vehicles. It includes automatic emergency braking, forward collision warning, and stability control, which is impressive for a car in this price range. These features not only improve your safety, but can also help reduce your insurance costs. The interior of the Nissan Versa is surprisingly spacious for a subcompact, and although the materials are simple, it offers comfort and plenty of space for daily use. Its engine is modest but efficient. It gets around 40 miles per gallon on the highway, which means you'll also save on fuel. The Versa is ideal for those who need a car for city driving or short commutes and are looking for a balance between price, safety, and reliability. In third place, we have the Hyundai Elantra, a compact sedan that has been a popular choice for many years. While the Elantra is a bit more expensive than the two previous cars, with a base price close to $20,000, it's still an excellent option if you're looking for something a bit bigger and with more features. The Hyundai Elantra stands out for its modern design. Hyundai has done a great job of giving their cars a sportier, more aggressive look, and the Elantra is no exception. Additionally, the interior is comfortable and well-designed, with good quality materials for a car at this price point. One of the most attractive features of the Elantra is its 8-inch touchscreen that comes standard, with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making it one of the most tech-savvy cars in this price range. But the Elantra isn't just stylish and tech-friendly. It's also efficient. In its standard version, It offers up to 43 miles per gallon on the highway, making it one of the most fuel-efficient cars in its class. And like Kia, Hyundai offers a 10-year or 100,000-mile warranty, adding an extra layer of peace of mind if you plan to keep the car for a long time. The Elantra is a solid option for those looking for a sedan with style, technology, and efficiency at a reasonable price. Second place goes to the Toyota Corolla, one of the most reliable cars in the world, and for good reason. The Corolla has decades of history and has earned an incredible reputation for its reliability and durability. Although its base price is around $21,000, putting it at the higher end of our list, it's a safe long-term investment. One of the big advantages of the Toyota Corolla is its low maintenance costs. Toyota cars, in general, are known for being easy and inexpensive to maintain. Plus, the Corolla comes in different versions, including a hybrid model, which lets you save even more on fuel, achieving up to 52 miles per gallon. If you're concerned about fuel consumption, the hybrid version is an excellent option. In terms of space and comfort, the Corolla doesn't disappoint. While it's not the largest sedan, it offers enough space both in the front and back seats, and the trunk is adequate for most daily needs. As for technology, the Corolla comes well equipped with a touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto connectivity, and safety features like Toyota's pre-collision system and pedestrian detection. Finally, we arrive at the number 1 spot, the Honda Civic. This is a car that needs no introduction, as it's been one of the best-selling and most respected cars in the world for many years. Its base price is around $22,000, but it offers an almost perfect combination of reliability, style, efficiency, and technology. The Honda Civic is known for its excellent performance on the road, with fuel efficiency of up to 42 miles per gallon, meaning you'll not only be driving a reliable car, but also saving on fuel. Additionally, the Civic has one of the best driving dynamics in its class, making it a fun car to drive. Something you can't always say about compact sedans. The interior of the Civic is also very well designed, with quality materials, intuitive control layout, and plenty of space for all passengers. It also comes with a wide range of tech features, such as a touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto compatibility, and a list of safety features that includes adaptive cruise control and automatic braking. For all these reasons, the Honda Civic is our top pick in this list of the best cheap and reliable cars of 2024. And there you have it, our top 5 cheap and reliable cars for 2024. As you can see, there are great options for every taste and need. Whether you're looking for something extremely affordable, like the Nissan Versa, or prefer a sedan with a bit more style and tech like the Honda Civic. The most important thing is that all these cars offer great value for their price and will give you many years of hassle-free driving. Which one of these cars would you like to own? Let me know in the comments, and if you have any other car in mind that you think should be on this list, share that too. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and turn on notifications for more car content. See you in the next video.